everyone. In today's session, we are gonna study about matter in our surroundings. So first, let us get familiar with what is your matter. So matter is everything around you, and your atoms and compounds are all made up of very small part of matter. So basically, what is your matter being is? So matter is basically which has mass and space, that is your matter. And what is around you? Like what is around you, and that is matter. So basically your table which has mass and space, it is a matter. Your bottle, it has mass and space. Your your air is also has mass and space. So everything which has mass and space, that is your matter. Now basically in earliest time, like earlier Indian philosopher has said that they have classified matter into 5 things. What are these 5 things are? The 5 things are air, sky, earth, water and fire, and these are called as Panch Tattva. And what they have concluded that all living beings and all non-living beings and living beings are made up of this Panch Tattva, right? Of that Panch Tattva. But in today's modern scientists has concluded the matter into 2 parts, which is your physical nature and the chemical nature. So first we're gonna study about the physical nature of the matter. What are the first physical nature of the matter is that your matter is made up of particles. First you have that matter is made up of particles. To prove that, we have performed an activity. What activity? We have taken a 100 ml beaker and fill it with 50 ml of water. Then I have added the salt to it, and then what happened? I stir it. Like see, you can see that the level remains 50. The level of water remains 50. So where does your salt goes? Right? So it shows that your water has space in it and the particles are fitted in it. इट मीन्स कि आपके पार्टिकल जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल है वो वाटर के स्पेस में फिट हो गया. नाउ फॉर दैट आई हैव यूज अ वर्ड फॉर पार्टिकल विच इज स्मॉल. फॉर दैट नाउ मेरे पास एक और क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है दैट हाउ स्मॉल इज दैट पार्टिकल इज. लाइक हाउ स्मॉल इज दैट पार्टिकल, how small of these particles of matter are. So for that also we will perform an activity to prove it. I have taken a beaker with 100 ml of clear water. Then I have added 2 to 3 crystals of your potassium permanganate to it, and then taken a 110 ml of test tube. Then I have added it to a clear water. मैंने उसे एक clear water के अंदर डाला है. Then you can see the difference between first 100 ml and the second 100 ml. There is a light color. Like the intensity of the color is getting lighter. And then when I repeat this situation, when I repeat this activity, the color gets lighten and lighten, which shows you can see that कि there is an pigment. Like आपका जो pigment है potassium permanganate, वो हर beaker में color दे रहा है. It means see that you can observe or conclude that कि आपका potassium permanganate कितना छोटा है, and हर beaker में it's getting divided into smaller and smaller part. It means you have so millions of tiny of particles of potassium permanganate, so that it is getting divided and further divided into subparts. You can conclude that by that, like our particle, you know, it's just beyond your imagination that how small your particle of matter is, right? Now next characteristics we are having is next we have the characteristics of particles of matter, in which first we have the first characteristic we have that the particle of matter have space in it. First, in the first salt solution we have concluded that particles have space and like they have made up of small particles. You have seen in the salt. Next characteristic we are having, particles of matter are continuously moving. What is by that? Your particles in all states of matter are in constant motion, and this is very rapid at room temperature. When the temperature will rise, it will increase the kinetic energy and speed of the particle, but it does not weaken your force between them. The particles have force between them, it doesn't affect that. Individual particle in liquids and gases has no fixed position and they move chaotically. For example, I have put an image of your agarbatti. You can do an activity. Put the agarbatti in one corner of your room and sit in the another corner of the room. What happen is the smell of the agarbatti will comes at your position. Like see, agarbatti आपके एक corner पे थी and you are sitting on the next corner of the room. So basically what happens is your particle is moving, right? Your particle is moving towards you, which shows it activity shows that your particles are moving. For another example and the famous one in your home being like आपके घर में खाना बनता है and आपकी मम्मा खाना किचन में बना रही है and आपको उसकी स्मेल आपके रूम तक आती है, which shows that the particle of matter are continuously moving, right? For this session, like we have concluded for this session. Thank you very much.